What if the ultimate sweet treat wasn't candy, but a tropical fruit that could literally clear your acne, boost your brain power, and give you insane energy? Today, we are looking at the actual science behind mangoes. Trust me, they are way more than just a summer vibe. Stick around because benefit number 7 is a total mindset shift about how this fruit can literally upgrade your workout game. Let's get into it. Hey, everyone, welcome back. Today, we're talking about the undisputed king of fruits, the mango. Whether you're throwing them into a morning smoothie bowl or eating them fresh, mangoes are a total cheat code for your health. We're going step by step through 10 research-backed reasons why you need to make mangoes a daily habit, followed by the best ways to eat them. Let's start with number 1. Benefit number 1, the ultimate skin glow up. The first benefit is an absolute game changer for your skin. If you want that flawless, radiant look without buying expensive skincare serums, mangoes are your best friend. They are loaded with vitamin A and vitamin C, which help your body produce collagen. Collagen is what keeps your skin elastic, smooth, and clear, while clearing out annoying breakouts from the inside out. Benefit number 2, insane immune support. The second benefit is all about keeping you from getting sick. Nobody wants to miss out on hanging with friends because of a random cold. 1 cup of mango provides over 70% of your daily vitamin C requirement. This gives your immune system a massive shield, helping your white blood cells smash viruses and bacteria before they even start. Benefit number 3, unmatched digital eye protection. The third benefit on our list is perfect for the digital age. If you're staring at phones, iPads, or gaming screens all day, your eyes take a serious beating from blue light. Mangoes contain 2 powerful antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds act like natural sunglasses inside your eyes, filtering out harmful light and keeping your vision super sharp. Benefit number 4, better digestion and no bloating. Moving on, the fourth benefit is a happy gut. Dealing with bloating or a heavy stomach is a total mood killer. Mangoes contain a group of digestive enzymes called amylases, which break down large food molecules so your body can absorb them easily. Combined with plenty of water and dietary fiber, mangoes keep your digestion running smoothly. Benefit number 5, deep focus and brain power. The fifth benefit is a massive hack for studying and exams. Mangoes are packed with vitamin B6, which is crucial for brain development and function. Vitamin B6 helps your brain produce neurotransmitters that regulate your mood and sleep. Eating mangoes regularly keeps your focus locked in, improves your memory, and stops that afternoon brain fog. Benefit number 6, heart protection for the long run. Benefit number 6 is keeping your heart healthy. Even when you're young, taking care of your cardiovascular system is super important. Mangoes contain magnesium and potassium, which help keep your blood vessels relaxed and your blood pressure perfectly balanced. They also have a unique antioxidant called mangifrin, which protects heart cells from inflammation. Benefit number 7, clean energy without the crash. Now, for number 7, sustainable energy. Unlike energy drinks or sugary coffees that make you hyper for an hour and then cause a massive crash, mangoes give you clean fuel. Even though they are naturally sweet, their fiber ensures that the natural sugars are released slowly into your system, giving you a steady vibe all day long. Benefit number 8, natural inflammation relief. The 8th benefit is low inflammation. Whether you play sports, skate, or lift weights, muscle soreness is real. Mangoes are packed with polyphenol, which are plant compounds that fight oxidative stress and lower inflammation in your body. This means your muscles recover faster after an intense workout or a long day of moving around. Benefit number 9, alkalizing the whole body. Coming in at number 9 is balancing your body's pH. With all the processed snacks and fast food around, our bodies can get a bit overwhelmed. Mangoes contain tartaric and malic acid, which help maintain the natural alkalinity of your body. Keeping your system balanced like this keeps your energy levels high and your cells working perfectly. Benefit number 10, hair health and shine. And finally, the 10th benefit is shiny, healthy hair. Vitamin A is absolutely essential for the production of sebum, which is the natural oil that keeps your scalp moisturized and your hair looking glossy. If your hair is feeling dry or brittle, adding mango to your routine is the easiest way to bring it back to life. Special segment: when and how to eat mangoes. Now that you know the top 10 benefits, let's talk about when and how you should eat mangoes to completely slay your nutrition goals. The best time. The absolute best time to eat a mango is in the morning with your breakfast or about 30 minutes before you hit the gym or sports practice. The natural carbs will give you an amazing pump and plenty of energy. Try to avoid eating massive amounts of mango right before bed, since the natural sugar might keep your brain too awake when you're trying to sleep. How to eat them. The most popular and fun way is slicing them into cubes or blending them up into a refreshing tropical protein smoothie. If you want to keep it super aesthetic, throw them on top of some Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey. Just keep it real with the portions. 1 mango a day is the perfect sweet spot for most teens. There you have it, the ultimate teen guide to the mighty mango. Do you prefer eating them fresh or in smoothies? Let me know in the comments below. If this video gave you good vibes, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more science-backed health hacks. Stay fresh, and I'll see you in the next video.